Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Singh. I'm from Lucknow, UP, and I'm here to guide you all about UPSC State Civil Services Examination or many different competitions. I know there are many channels on YouTube, many of the things on internet which are available to everyone, but I would like to tell that my channel will be different just because it's not about just the guiding factor, it's about the guiding you in the course of the preparation in the course of your time, listening to your problems, telling my solutions which I feel for your problems, and I'll provide the full coverage, complete coverage of NCRTs from 6th to 12th, every NCRT, regardless of the board, and the uh, l- reference books which you have to study, which you have to go through, and how to read them is the main thing, which many of the students don't know. Like we learn about that polity, Lakshmikant should be read for polity, so we go to the market and just purchase the latest edition, particularly ask for the latest edition of Lakshmikant, and we bring it home. But when we open it, we feel sleepy, we start yawning, we feel sleepy, and we just don't like to prepare for it. And there are many other factors which will pull you back for not preparing for UPSC, or for not preparing, for not letting you to be what you want to be. But please don't listen to those factors, don't give a damn to these factors just because you know what you have to do. It's in your mind, it's in your soul. So if UPSC is in your soul, if Labasna is your dream, then you have to be consistent, you have to be particular, um, you have to study daily, you have to be like, okay, rest other things can wait, but this cannot. This would be my first attempt for UPSC. I know that I'm talking very much, I'm telling you all very much, I have still not given any attempt, but 2022 would be my first attempt. I don't know I would succeed, I would fail, but if my channel can help anyone who can succeed, I would be more than happy. I would be on the I would be I would I can't express my happiness for that. So I'll be live tomorrow at 9 p.m. in the evening, and first of all we would just go for what is the nature of the examinations, what is the what the problem that many of the students face, the coaching factor or the self study factor, how to do self study, how to manage your time, how to manage your college along with your preparation if you are doing, and rest of the things which come into your mind. In my background you all can see the criminal manuals and the books related to law. So I should also tell you that I'm also a law student. I'm doing LLB from Lucknow University, Lucknow, and just LLB was just a thing that I had to do because seeing these books you can tell that someone from my family is definitely in the law field. So I wanted to do that, and I'm doing currently doing that. So that's why I will tell you how to manage college along with the preparation of UPSC. And it would, I think it would help many of you. I'll believe that it would help many of you, and I would love to share my experience during the study, during the things. And I'll be doing a daily vlog on this channel because I know it would be difficult for me, but I would do no editing, just making the video and putting it down, because I know key editing is a very main thing which you have to do in your videos. But I would like to present myself as I am, because I'm as I am. So no showcase, no problem, and rest of the things would go as they want. So tomorrow we'll go on my room tour for the examinations, which for the examination which I'm preparing for, and then from day after tomorrow we will start everything about UPSC and state services examination. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.